What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Auto Review. I am Floyd. So today we're here at Buy Cars. We're going to be looking for cars that I think they are still new. They have less mileage. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Without any further ado, asibangene. So the day is this 2018 Audi Q3. It is Q3. Yes, Q3. Oh man, this car is still okay, still beautiful. Everything it is still attached. Even the color, man, it hasn't faded away. As you can see there at the front. This car it is going for 247,900, and you're looking to pay 4,843 per month. It has 110,000 kilometers in the clock, and it's a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It also coming with a decker stick right there, as you can see. So this car, all windows are tinted. All the tires are still okay, as you can see. Yeah, man, I haven't seen any dent or scratches. The car it is still okay, but there's this thing, what you call it here, from the wipe, which you need to fix when you purchase the car. You're also getting a true exhaust there. The car it is still okay, man. The car it is still okay. Interior wise, you have in your leather seats, your manual transmission, your display there, your steering wheel wrapped with rubber, and yeah, man, that's it for the Audi. Um, Damn, I love this party. So our next car for the day is this 2022 T-Cross. Oh man, this car it is still perfect, as you can see there. The bumper it is aligning. This car it is going for 267,900, and are looking to pay 5,205 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 71,000 kilometers in the clock, and it also has a Decra sticker right there. So according to me, I don't see anything wrong with the car. It is still in a good shape. Even the tires are still okay, as you can see there. Even this side, I don't see anything strange with the car. It also coming with this thing to tie your stuff. Yeah, man. Even at the back, it is still beautiful. You're also getting your page there, return to cross. Uh, yeah, the car it is still beautiful. So when it comes to the interior, you have your cloth seat there. Your manual, it's a manual. Yes, your manual gear there. Your multifunction steering wheel. Yeah, man. You okay? All right, all right. Nah, I'm just shooting videos. Yes, my brother. All right. Sure, sure. Yeah, man. It is still okay. It is still okay. What do you think about our second car for the day? So our third car for the day is this 2023 T-Cross. Man, there's no change between 2022 and 2023. Maybe it's the speed or transmission. So this is the 2023 T-Cross. It is going for 296,900, and we're looking to pay 5,729 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 44,381 kilometers in the clock, and also It has a Decra stick right there. So even this one, Buffet, it is still beautiful. As you can see, it is still beautiful. Everything here at the front, it is attached. No scratches, no dent. Even the lights are still okay, still new. This car actually is still new. It is still new. Even the tires, this side, it is okay. So even this side, but the VW cap right here, it is missing. So when you purchase this car, you have to even the back, which means all the tires that don't have a VW cap. But hey, this one is starting to give me a red flag. You see now, I no longer trust this car now. What happening with those caps? Let me check this side. Also, you then have your wipe there at the back. It is missing. Oh, both tires, all tires that don't have a VW cap. So, but the car it is still okay, man. As you can see, I haven't seen any scratches. So even this one, you have your cloth seat there, manual transmission, infotainment system. I think it's side scrolling that one. Your steering wheel there, right with rubber. And yeah, man, it is beautiful. This car. What do you think about our third VW for the day? Our first car for the day is this 2018 Tiguan. This car it is beautiful, man. Just look at those black rims. This Tiguan it is beautiful. So this car is going for 355,900 and we're looking to pay 6,750 per month. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. It has 134,364 kilometers on the clock. And this car, it is roadworthy, as you can see there. Yeah, man. According to me, it is still okay, still beautiful. It also have tinted windows, as you can see right here, and we are roof there, and those things, what do you call these things? Yeah, man. And your mini spoiler wrapped with black, as I show you here at the back. It is like this. Oh man, this car it is beautiful. It has a formation badge there, and your pipes there to ref it. As you see there, black lining there. Oh man. So inside you have your leather, your infotainment system there, your automatic gear, your steering wheel there, wrapped with rubber. Yeah, man, this car it is good for a family. Yeah, it is beautiful, beautiful. What do you think about this Tiguan?